Today, we're diving into Ollama, a tool that claims to make running large language models locally a breeze. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore how it stacks up and whether it's worth your time. Ollama is designed to simplify the process of running large language models right on your local machine. For developers and AI enthusiasts, this is a significant draw as it offers a way to leverage powerful models without relying on cloud services. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not be as tech-savvy. You can easily pull models, run them, and even customize them to fit your specific needs. However, while the functionality appears solid, it's worth noting that there's limited information on the variety of models available. Some users might find themselves wanting more options or flexibility. Additionally, the documentation could use some beefing up. It's not always clear how to troubleshoot issues that may arise. Overall, the experience feels promising but leaves a few questions unanswered. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Ollama provides a straightforward way to run LLMs locally, which is great for privacy and control. The user interface is intuitive, making it accessible even for those new to AI. However, there are some drawbacks. The model selection feels somewhat limited, which might frustrate users looking for specific capabilities. Trust is another concern. While the platform seems reliable, there's not a ton of transparency about the underlying technology or support. Pricing is also a bit unclear, which could deter potential users. If you're a casual user or just dipping your toes into AI, you might find it lacking, but for developers or tech enthusiasts who want more control, it could be worth exploring. In conclusion, Ollama has potential, especially for those looking to run language models locally. If you're a developer or someone comfortable navigating AI tools, it's worth a shot. But if you need a wider range of models or more robust support, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it feels like a solid start but could use some refinement.